It rained last night. It rained, and it was the mother of all storms, and it was so pretty. Happy that it rained and there was a bit of fresh air and a bit of breathing room, because it's been so stuffy and horrible over the last few days. There are few things in this world I love more than after a rainstorm. That smell, the temperature, the cool air. It is such a relief, given the fact that we've been melting for the last few weeks. You have no idea how excited I am to see all this rain. So British weather, much needed rain. Hey, I'm at the train station in Edmunds and I'm heading home. I want this sofa at my house, by the way. Kind of a washout day, but did what I needed to do. Kind of just feeling a bit low for some reason. Stupid, I know.